Hi and welcome to the Freshfield Fitness Tai Chi Active YouTube channel. I noticed a few of the followers here have been following my chair-based Tai Chi sessions, following along in a chair, especially if you are recovering from injury or surgery, or you're in a rehabilitation program, or you just feel that standing exercise is a little too much for you, then this session is a perfect way to stay active, to get your body moving, to really boost your metabolism, feel great and feel energized. We've got a few different movements that are going to be mindful, relaxing and calming. So I hope you'll follow along at home. So let's start with our feet planted on the floor in front of us, a good steady chair, sturdy enough so that we can just move our weight slightly from side to side. And I want you to think about your posture. We want to be lifted up through the crown, engaged at the core, so we're really holding this posture as good as we can throughout the session, but remain relaxed. That's the main thing. Enjoy the movement. We're going to start with our hands on our thighs, that good posture, and let's just turn our head slowly to the side, back to the middle, keeping the breathing calm and just trying to release any stiffness that we often hold in the neck and the shoulders. So let's turn our head and the other way. We're going to place our chin to our chest and just listen to your own body. Remember, you want to keep these movements well within your own comfort zone and limitations, so we're exercising safely. Shoulder rolls. And this is a great one for just releasing any stiffness, any tension that we do often hold in our shoulders. Oh, I felt a big crunch then. And let's go the other way. So holding our ball in front of the chest, our chi ball, we're going to breathe in, open the chest and breathe out, bringing the hands together. Like we're playing with energy and we're absorbing all that positivity, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And just focusing our mind on the moving hands, and that way we can connect our mind and our body and just feel present in the movement. Enjoy that movement. Going to hold one hand on top of the other, holding the ball, turning the ball as we breathe in and breathing out, holding the ball. Breathing in and breathing out. Holding the ball here, let's stroke the horse's mane and let's move the foot, heel toe, into our bow stance towards the corner. So just transfer the weight a little bit from the middle over to that forward leg, but make sure your chair is sturdy, and then circling the hands and placing the foot back. Heel toe, stroke the horse, hold the mirror. All the way round, and we want to be turning the waist gently to power this striking arm. Making that one our last one, hold the ball with the opposite hand on top. We'll stroke the horse and hold the mirror to the other side. So stroking the horse's mane, visualize that strike forwards. Focusing on that moving hand, powered by the waist. One more here. Bringing the hands down, we're going to open the chest, open the heart, so feel a nice expansion across the chest. Bring the hands forwards and push down. Breathing in and breathing out, opening the chest, looking high. Breathing in and breathing out. And then we're going to bring our hands high, turn the palms and push through the ceiling. Feel a gentle stretch through the body. Turning the fingertips to face back and releasing that stretch. Hands on the thighs, and we're just going to roll down, round in the back. Just so that your hands track down your legs, but just to wherever feels good for you. Round in the back, really feel that lovely movement through the spine. Let's do that again, holding up the heavens, breathing in and push high, gentle stretch through the body, release that stretch, hands on the thighs and roll down slowly, chin to chest. Final one here. Coming up to our sitting position, remember that posture. I'm going to step one foot and place the weight on it so we can tap forward empty stance. So this front foot empty of weight, and bring our hands to white crane spreads its wings. So we want our waist to turn to look at that top hand, and then it turns round to the front to bring this hand to the table. Let's do that on the other side. So step across, tapping here empty stance, and turn the waist to bring the hand down. A nice flowing movement. So as soon as we're here, we're bringing the hand down. Let's do that again. This time we're holding it here, and then we're going to add a little lift. Bring it down. So we don't want to collapse in the posture. We want to hold that firm, pulling belly button through to spine, engaging that core as we lift. It doesn't matter if it's just a small lift. And bringing ourselves nice and wide this time. We're bringing the arms round and hugging the tree. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. I have to make sure I'm not knocking my plant off the table. And one more time. Bringing our hands to our imaginary table, lifting the hand across the body to the corner and bringing it down, turning the waist and focusing on that hand. And visualizing like we are moving our hands through water, adding that natural resistance to the movement. Let's do one more on each side. Now let's progress this to our cloud hands. Bringing the hand across, we're turning the waist and we're going to wave. Bringing the other hand high, turning the waist, shifting that weight across from one leg to the other. As long as we've got a sturdy chair, we'll be okay. And focusing on that top hand, visualizing that we are pushing our hands through the clouds, feeling the flow. And final one here. Bringing it back, we're going to scoop the sea and look at the sky. So cross the hands at the front, we're lifting them up, circular movement, opening out and looking at the sky, lifting the chest, bringing it down, a little forward bend, lifting high, inhale as we go, exhale, open out, look at the sky, feeling that lovely stretch through the body. It feels nice to stretch. Focus on the hands as we reach high. Feeling that lovely gentle extension through the body. Making this our last one and then bringing our hands to our fists. We're going to shift the weight and tap forwards and punch with the opposite hand, alternating this step from side to side. Pulling belly button through to spine so that we keep that strong posture, lifting up through the crown. A good, strong, powerful movement here. And if it suits, we can progress this to a kick forwards, lifting off the floor. Taking the feet wide, holding the ball low and then lifting it high. Breathing in as we lift and breathing out as we bring the hands down. Bringing the ball to the shoulder, we're going to push forwards and step out, heel toe to the corner, scoop the arms around and transfer the weight, transferring it forwards and then round to the back. So feel that shift of weight from one side to the other. Focusing on the hands as we circle them round. Like we're pushing through water, again with that natural resistance to the movement. And final one here, bringing it back to the chest. Let's repeat that on the other side. A lovely scoop around, feel the freedom of that movement. And bringing our hands down, feet together. We're wild geese flying, and we're going to add a heel raise. So lifting our heels off the floor, going onto the balls of our feet, lifting up through the crown as we do so. Breathing in, feeling that expansion, breathing out, pulling belly button through to spine, good strong core. And taking our feet wide, let's lift up, pressing palms at the top, focusing on drawing that line right down our midline and visualizing like we are gathering positive energy and absorbing that into our body, feeling centered, grounded, calm and relaxed. All the way up to the top, breathing out slowly as we come down. Big breath in, expanding the lungs and chest, breathing out slowly down. Big breath in as the arms rise and breathing out slowly as the hands come down, feeling relaxed. Let's do one more. And our final one, bringing the hands to the heart. Thank you very much for joining me for this chair-based Tai Chi session. I hope you've enjoyed sitting and exercising with me today. Do remember to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content, and have a look at the chair-based Tai Chi session playlist that you'll find on the homepage of the Freshfield Fitness Tai Chi Active YouTube channel. I do enjoy making the content here on the channel for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Do like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of the content in the comments below. It's great to hear from you, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.